Chalo, 0.5 or 0.05. Which one is greater?
0.5.
0.5 or 0.05. While explaining this
0.5.
chapter, while explaining this chapter, I gave you this as an example, if you do remember.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Have to check, you have to check from the left hand side. લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાં જે પેલો નંબર હોય ને ત્યાંથી ચેક કરવાનું. ડેસિમલ્સ પેલા લેફ્ટ હેન્ડ સાઈડમાંથી પેલો નંબર, right? So first number itself is 0. There is no other number ahead of it. So over here also before decimal, there is only one number. Both are 0, 0. So both are equal. We cannot get which one is greater. Now, second number is 5 after decimal, and second number after decimal is 0. So 5 is greater than 0. So
Yes.
0.5 is greater than 0. પછી પાછળ ભલે એક જ ડિજિટ હોય કે 5 ડિજિટ હોય, we don't care. We got within the second digit itself which one is greater. That means that whole number is greater. Understood?
Yes. Yes, sir.
But we have
Sir.
to show some method here. We have to show some method here.
Yes.
Yes or no? So can I
Yes,
say
sir.
5 upon 10 and 5 upon 100 over here?
Yes.
સમજાય છે?
Yes.
Okay. Now taking LCM. 10 and 100 LCM is? LCM will be 100. What will be the LCM? તો LCM કાઢતા આવડે છે ને?
Yes.
Okay, so 10 has to be reached up to 100. So 10 will be multiplied by 10. So this will be multiplied as 10,
50 upon 100.
and this will be multiplied by 1, and this will be multiplied by 1. So this fraction you will get as 50 upon 100, and second you will get as 5 upon 100. Now 100 denominators are same here, which covers as a like fraction. So when we have a like fractions, we can check the numerator. The greater number will be greater fraction. So 50 upon 100 is greater than 5 upon 100. So 50 upon 100 was what? 0.5 is greater than 0.05. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
હવે એક હજી શોર્ટકટ મેથડ દેખાડી દઉં. Not every time it will happen, but sometime when we have the same numerator. Okay? When we have same numerator. Now, when we have same denominator, see, અહીંયા 100 denominator આવેલું છે. We have to check the numerator. જે મોટો ડિજિટ હોય મોટું ફ્રેક્શન હોય. Yes or no?
Yes.
સમજાય છે?
Yes.
So when we have equal numerator, જે નાનો ડિજિટ ડિનોમિનેટરમાં હોય ને એ મોટું ફ્રેક્શન હોય હંમેશા. સમજાય છે શું કર્યું સરે?
Yes. Yes,
Any
sir.
doubt here?
No.
No. Again, by solving this, we have to solve all the sums with this method. Okay, but for your understanding, I am showing you something which will be helpful to you. જે ડિનોમિનેટરમાં ઇક્વલ હોય, લાઇક ફ્રેક્શન્સ થાય પછી આપણે એડ કરી શકીએ, સબટ્રેક્ટ કરી શકીએ, કમ્પેર કરી શકીએ, right? Until and unless we have a like fractions, we cannot do anything of this. So 100 we have a like fractions. So numerator check કરશું આપણે. The greater number will be always a greater fraction. In the same case, when numerator are equal, then denominator we have to check. The smaller number will be always a greater fraction. 10 is smaller than 100. So 5 upon 10 is greater fraction. Understood? So 5 upon 10 is
Yes.
for whom? 0.5. Is that all clear?
Yes.
Will
Yes.
you be able to do the next, all the sums what is given, or shall I do it for you? Any of the one or other sum?
Sir, can you show number 3 method?
Number 3. Okay, I'll solve that number 3. Chalo. What is number 3? 7 or 0.7, right?
Yes.
Okay, chalo. 7 or 0.7. So can I say if there is nothing, then decimal will be here and this will be 0. So 7 જ મોટો થાય ને કે 0 મોટો થાય?
7. ઈ તો ખબર છે કે 7 જ મોટું થાય, પણ
Okay.
મેથડમાં કેવી રીતના લખ?
Okay. We have to convert this into fraction form first. So 7 upon 1 લઈ શકું. And this 0.0 I will remove. 7 upon 10 લઈ શકું અહીંયા?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, chalo. Now LCM of 1 and 10 will be 10. So this will be multiplied by 10 and this will be multiplied by 10 to form a 10 in denominator. And this will be multiplied by 1. So this will be also multiplied by 1. So this will cover 70 upon 10. આમાં શું છે? કાંઈ નવું નથી. 7 upon 10 as it is. Now 10 equals 70 is greater or 7?
70. 70.
So therefore, at the end you have to write like this. Therefore, 7 is greater than 0.7. Any doubt here?
No. No.
સર અહીંયા ઓરલી એલસીએમ કરે છે. હા, બાકી એલસીએમ તમે કરી શકો ને આવી રીતે આમ 1 and 10 નું એલસીએમ લઈને like this. LCM નીચે લખવાનું LCM is 10. તો આ 10 સુધી પહોંચાડવા માટે મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 10 કર્યું છે અને આ ઓલરેડી 10 હતું તો મલ્ટીપ્લાય બાય 1 જ કરવું પડે 10 સુધી લઈ જવા. Are you getting?
Yes. Yes.
Any doubt with any other sum? Please recheck it. All the 6 sums what we have on the screen.
No, sir.
Very good. Chalo. Question number 2. Oh, I'm sorry. There is no question number 2. There is question 3. Okay, question number 2 is with this only. I'm sorry. What is this happening? Okay, question 2 is here. Chalo. Express as rupees using decimals. Wow. Paisa is given, rupees and paisa is given. We have to convert it one single unit as rupees. When we are forming, મેં તમને કીધું છે King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. If you do remember that statement.
Yes.
તો આપણે મોટા યુનિટમાં જવું હોય, નાના યુનિટથી મોટા યુનિટમાં જવું હોય, so it will be in division form. Division form આવે એટલે decimals આવે. Are you getting? When we are coming back from the bigger unit to smaller one, at that time we have to multiply. Multiply means આપણે 0 વધારે આવે. Yes or no?
Yes.
So this paisa and rupees paisa is given. We have to convert that into rupees. So મોટા યુનિટમાં જઈએ છે આપણે નાનાથી. સમજ પડે છે શું કરવાનું?
Yes.
Okay, so let us come back to our answer column. 7 paisa. હવે લખવાનું કેવી રીતે? 7 paisa is given here as a question. Our first thing you have to write 1 rupee. 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So we have 7 paisa is equal to how many rupees? Any doubt here?
No.
સમજ પડી શું લખ્યું સરે?
Yes.
This is the step what we are following for the first sum, and every sum we have to follow the same step. 7 paisa we have. We don't know about rupees. We have to convert that into rupees. Sir, ઘરેથી નથી લાવ્યા. It is written here, express as rupees using decimals. Decimals show કરીને express કરવાનું છે. Now cross multiply. This 7 paisa will be multiplied with 1 rupee. 1 rupee. Any doubt? Yeah. Upon 100 paisa. Letter paisa will be getting cancelled. So what is the unit left here? Rupees. So answer આપણો rupees માં આવશે. Final થઈ ગયું?
Yes.
7
Yes.
into 1. 7 ones are 7 upon 100 as it is, and rupees as it is. Any doubt?
No.
Okay. Chalo. Now what will be our answer? The answer will be, how many zeros are there in denominator?
2.
2. How many digits do we have in numerator? 1. So we have to form 2 digit first to put a decimal. 2 digit બનાવવા માટે 7 ની બાજુમાં તો 0 મુકાય નહીં, તો આ 70 થઈ જાય. Are you getting? To
Yes.
form a 2 digit number, we have 1 digit, so we have to put 0 ahead. કેમ કે આપણી પાસે 7 જ છે. If you put 0 ahead, 0 7 ની આપણે કેવી રીતે રીડ થાય? 7 only. Are you getting? એટલે
Yes.
7 ની વેલ્યુ ચેન્જ થવી જોવે નહીં. In that form we have to increase the numbers. If you have 7 and if you put 0 beside 7 like this value of 7 will be converted to 70. So which is wrong. Are you getting? સમજ પડે છે શું કહેવા માંગુ છું? So whatever number we have to increase, that number of zeros we will put ahead. Are you getting? So અહીંયા 2 0 છે, તો અહીંયા 2 digit બનાવવા પડે. So it makes us 07. If it has 3 zeros, for example, I'm taking. If we have 1 digit only, we will put 2 zeros to form 3 digit number. સમજાય છે? Then we will put a decimal. Now decimal ની આગળ કાંઈ નથી, so we can put 0 here. So what is our answer? Exactly 0.07 rupees for the first sum. સમજ પડે છે girls? સમજ પડી સર શું
Yes.
કર્યું અહીંયા?
Yes, sir.
Sure?
Yes. Yes.
Very good. Chalo. Second sum I'm doing. You just tell me which sum you would like me to do. You would like me to do this 7 rupees 7 paisa? Okay.
Yes.
Chalo. 7 rupees 7 paisa. This is the question what we have. Now 7 rupees is already in the form of rupees. We don't have to touch this part. We have to convert only this to rupees first. Barabar? So our main job is 1 rupees is equal to 100 paisa. So we have how many rupees if we have 7 paisa? Any doubt with this? Again, the same content what we have to follow here. 7 paisa is equal to 1 rupee. Cross multiply here. You will get 7 upon 100 as an formation. And then you will be getting 0.07 rupees. Am I right? Now this is not our answer. Our answer has to convert this 7 rupees with 7 paisa. So we got with single unit now. 7
Yes.
rupees and 0.07 rupees. Both are in single unit now. Both are in single unit we have.
Yes.
Now if we have single unit, we can easily add, subtract, compare, anything we can do it. So
Yes.
7 rupees, 7 will be having full decimal and 2 zeros, then rupees here, plus decimal ની નીચે decimal always 0, 0 and 7 rupees. So total will be 7.07 rupees as our answer. Therefore, you have to write this statement, this one, and then you have to write is 7 rupees, 7 rupees and 7 paisa. Any doubt with this, what we did here?
No.
Have you understood how to solve this?
Yes.
See, we are converting only paisa to rupees. If we have rupees all together, we don't have to use anything for that. Only at the end we have to add that while converting what we got in the rupees unit. Understood? સમજ પડે છે? લાસ્ટમાં એને એડિશન
Yes.
વખતે જ એને લેવાનું, બાકી એને ટચ કરવાનું નહીં. In every case, not only in rupees and paisa, in kilometer, meter, liter, kiloliter, આ બધા યુનિટમાં same thing we have to follow. What we are converting, if we have that unit should not be touched. Got it? Now this 50 paisa is given, so આને આખું convert કરવાનું. 235 paisa છે, આને આખું convert કરવાનું. સમજ પડે છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
So will you be able to do the rest of the sums, girls?
Yes.
Okay, बच्चा. Okay, बच्चा. चलो. Question number 3. 3 is in this only. चलो आ गई. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Express 5 centimeter in meter and kilometer. Centimeter is given. We have to convert that into meter also and kilometer also. Okay. समझ पड़े છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
Okay, so how can we express this? First thing, we know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Am I right?
Yes.
Okay. So if we have 5 centimeter, what will be the meter? So cross multiply. 5 meter will be multiplied with, 5 centimeter will be multiplied with 1 meter upon 100 centimeter. Any doubt with this step? Now centimeter it got cancelled. So 5 upon 100 and the unit left is meter. Am I right?
Yes.
So how many zeros do we have, Bachcha Party?
0.05.
First 0 are 2. We have 1 digit. So to prepare a 2 digit, we will form 0 here and we will put decimal. And decimal ni આગળ એક પણ digit નથી. So 0.05 meter is the first answer. For the first answer as a meter. Understood? In the same way, we have to measure it for kilometer. Now, how many 100 to change already, right? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now we already have that as a centimeter. So 100, and to reach to kilometer we have 1000 meter. સમજાય છે કે નહીં? King Harry died, mother didn't cry much, if you do remember. સમજાય છે? So I can write here 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Any doubt here? One kilometer is equal to how many meter? 1 kilometer is equal to dash meter, 1000. Okay, 1000 meter. ચલો હવે આ મેળો આપણું 1000 meter. Forget about this statement. Now if I have 1 meter is equal to dash centimeter.
100.
100. Very good. So 1 મીટર હોય છે જ્યારે ત્યારે 100 સેન્ટીમીટર હોય છે, અને 1 કિલોમીટર હોય છે ત્યારે 1000 મીટર હોય છે. તો જ્યારે 1 કિલોમીટરને કન્વર્ટ આપણે 1 સેન્ટીમીટરમાં કરવાનું છે. Are you getting?
Yes.
That means 1000 will be multiplied with 100.
Yes.
સમજાય છે કે નહીં? 1 kilometer belongs to how many meter? 1000 meter.
1000.
Now 1 meter is equal to, we already solved this, 5 centimeter to meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now that kilometer has, this centimeter has to be converted to kilometer. સમજાય છે? તો આ બેનો ડિફરન્સ શું હશે? has to be multiplied. કેમ કે કિંગ હેરી ડાઇડ બધામાં 10 નો ડિફરન્સ હતો. every 10 was multiplied, if you do remember. યાદ આવે છે કે નહીં?
Yes.
So if you multiply 1000 and 100, you will get 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. આવડે છે મલ્ટીપ્લાય કરતા કે નહીં?
Yes.
1000 multiply by 100 કેવી રીતે થાય? 1 1s are 1, 3 plus 2, 5 0, 1 2 3 4 and 5. શું આવ્યો આન્સર? ડિસ્ટન્સ કેટલું આવ્યું? કોઈને નથી ખબર હજી? દેખાડું તોય નથી ખબર. વેરી ગુડ. What is the answer we got? 1 lakh. 1 kilometer is equal to 1 lakh centimeter. Now we have already 5 centimeter here. So what will be the kilometer? We have to convert that into kilometer, if you do aware of this. Now again cross multiply. બિંદાસ, કોઈ બીયા વગર cross multiply કરવાનું. 5 centimeter will be multiplied with 1 kilometer upon 1 lakh centimeter. કેટલું? This centimeter and centimeter unit will get cancelled. Now what is left here? 5 ones are 5 upon 1 lakh kilometer. So Vaidu, 5 ones are 5, kilometer as a unit, and 1 lakh. Any doubt here?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Now convert this. How many zeros do we have in denominator? 5. How many digits do we have in numerator? To form 5 digit, we will put 4 zeros ahead of 5. Yes or no? હવે 5 digit થઈ ગયા જો તો.
Yes.
Then put decimal here. So what is our answer? 0.00005. ચેક યર. આપણને એનો આન્સર અલગ પડતો હોય તો કયો. એની ડાઉટ ગર્લ્સ?
નો સર.
જલસા ને હવે?
હા ચાલશે.
જલસા ને? પાક્કું?
હા.
હવે એ જ વસ્તુ મિલીમીટરને સેન્ટીમીટરમાં, મીટરમાં અને કિલોમીટરમાં કન્વર્ટ કરવાની છે. સો ઇટ વિલ બી 10, then 110 lakh, I think so. આ 1 લાખ હતું તો કિલોમીટરમાં જવા માટે 10 હજી મલ્ટીપ્લાય થશે, because the millimeter was the last, if you do remember. Rabia, Amiri Fatima,
Yes.
Insia Fatima, I'm sorry, I'm mistaken for some names. Mohdesa Rajani, are you clear with the content?
Yes, sir.
Will you be able to
Yes.
do it by your own? King Harry died, mother didn't cry much. Multiply 10 into 10 into 10 into 10. You will get your appropriate formation. Understood?
Yes, sir.
समझाई छे बच्चे लोग?
Hmm.
Okay, girls. Chalo, we have completed up till question number 3 in the class of exercise 2.5. Okay? Your homework is to do all the sums one time in your rough book, and as per your convenience, you have to prepare your fair book. Is that clear? All the sums should be written
Yes.
compulsorily in your fair book with good handwriting. Whenever we are having a chance, or when according to the guideline, we are going to ask for your fair books to be checked. ऑफलाइन क्लास चालू થશે ત્યારે તો ચેક કરી सकते हैं, but if in case in between they will be asking us to ask for your fair books, then I will be asking to send it to the school or online photographs. I'll check it if I will be asked. Okay? So your responsibility is to be prepared with your fair book. Any doubt, girls?
Sir, we have to complete full exercise 2.5.
I'm sorry, beta. Come again. Hello. We have to complete up till exercise 2.5, question number 3, what we have done in the class. From
Okay,
question
sir.
number 4, we are going to start in our next lecture. કોઈ આગળ ભાગાભાગી કરવાની જરૂર નથી. જેટલું જે ક્લાસમાં થાય એ પ્રમાણે ચાલશો તોય તમને હું માનું ત્યાં સુધી 90% માર્ક્સ આવશે. જો તમે મને ફોલો કરશો according to the syllabus, then you will be able to score more than 85 to 90% of mathematics marks. That's for sure. ખાલી ભાગાભાગી કરવાથી કાંઈ નથી થવાનું. Even I can complete the whole chapter if I am at home by copying from one book to the other, but that is of no use. Are you getting? રોજના આપણે કેટલા sums કરીએ છીએ વધીને વધીને 5 sum, 10 sum, 15 sum in 45 minutes. So just follow that 15, 10, 12 sums, whatever we do in the class. You will be able to score a good marks. Okay? And maths is only the subject what practice is the most important thing which is required for. For all the other subjects, you can just understand the content, you can improvise by your own things, own words, and you can write down in your own words in exam also. But